सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्। ओम एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम ऐंकार ह्रींकार रहस्ययुक्त श्रींकार गूढ़ार्थ महाविभूत्या ओंकार मर्म प्रतिपादिनीभ्यां नमो नमः। श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्याम उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्युं मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ओम कायैलह्रीं असकहलह्रीं सकलह्रीं ओम कायैलह्रीं असकहलह्रीं सकलह्रीं ओम कायैलह्रीं असकहलह्रीं सकलह्रीं ओम। Welcome to today's class. We will start with the Parivarisya Rahasya prayer. Om Vidyanancha Manunam
Om Vidyanam cha Manunam
Manu Sankyanancha Vidyanam
Manu Sankyanam cha Vidyanam
Upadeshta Jayati Taram
Upadeshta Jayati Taram
Shri Narasimhanandanatha Guruhu
Sri Narasimhanandanath Guruhu
Shri Basuranandanatha Guruhu
Sri Bhasuranandanath Guruhu.
In the previous classes, we studied about the Gayatri Artha of Kaiyalahrim mantra. Today in this class, we are going to explain Bhavartha Nirupanam, the second Artha, as we discussed earlier. Vameche Brahma Bharatyau Jeshta Jnane Harikshiti Raudri Kriye Shiva Parne Iti Ye Tat Mitunatrayam Iti Ekadasha Shlokaha. Vameche Brahma Bharatyau Jeshta Jnane Harikshiti Raudri Kriye Shiva Parne Iti Yetat Mitunatrayam. Ityetan Mitunatrayam. There is a Sandhi. Ityetan Mitunatrayam is Sandhi. And Sandhi Vicheda is Iti Yetat Mitunatrayam. Vameche. Vameche is the combination of Vama and Icha, Brahma and Saraswati. Vama Icha is Brahma and Saraswati. Vameche. Brahma is the Purusha Rupa, Brahmaji. Saraswati is the Stri Rupa. How can we understand Vameche Brahma Bharatyau? Brahma Bharatyau is Dvandva Samasa. It shows the two. Who are those two? Brahmaji and Bharati. Bharati is Saraswati. Vameche Brahma Bharatyau, one set. Then Jeshta Jnane. Jeshta Shaktihi and Jnana Shaktihi. Jeshta Jnane Harikshiti. Hari Shabda. Hari Shabda indicates Mahavishnu. The Kshiti Shabda indicates Bhumi, Bhuma Devi, who is none other than Lakshmi. Raudri Kriye. Raudri and Kriya Shakti. Raudri and Kriya Shakti. Shiva Aparne. Shiva plus Aparna. Shiva Parne. Shivaha and Parvati. Shiva Parne, Shivaha plus Aparne. Aparna is a nama of Devi. Aparnaye Namaha. There is an epithet in Lalita Sahasranama. Aparnaye Namaha. You can find the epithet's number if you have Lalita Sahasranama. Aparnaye Namaha. What is that Aparna? Aparna is the name of Parvati. Why Parvati obtains the name of Aparna? Aparna is, Parna means Lata. Lata means creeper. Aparna means the leafless creeper. Leafless creeper is the symbolism of the Kundalini Shakti which resides in Mooladhara Chakra. And this Kundalini Chakra, this Kundalini Shakti rises from Mooladhara and goes up to merge with Shiva, who is in the Sahasrara Pita. While climbing like this, Devi Kundalini climbs like a creeper without leaves. If leaves are there, it may make noise in the wind and it may disturb Lord Shiva, who is in penance. So because of that, Devi loses her leaves. Lata loses her leaves. So Lata, the creeper, the Shakti gains the name, obtains the name Aparna. So they both together Shiva Parna. Iti etat Mitunatrayam. Mitunam means what? Dual. Doubles. Vishnu Lakshmi, Brahma Saraswati, Shiva Parvati are all doubles. Mitunam. So how many Mitunam are there? Mitunatrayam. Brahma Saraswati, Vishnu Lakshmi, Shiva Parvati. Mitunatrayam means there are three doubles. This is the meaning of the shloka. I read again. Vameche Brahma Bharatyau Jeshtajnane Harikshiti Raudri Kriye Shiva Parne Iti Etat Mitunatrayam. Ityetan Mitunatrayam. Who are those Mitunatrayam? Brahma Saraswati, Vishnu Lakshmi, Shiva Parvati are the Mitunatrayam. And they are equivalent to the three. They are equivalent to the three kutas: Vagbhava Kuta, Kama Kuta, and Shakti Kuta of the Panchadashakshari mantra. Tribihi Kutaihi Kramat Vachyam Ikara Tritayena Tu Etat Traya Samashtiyama Vachyam Shantambikatmakam. Samashtiyatmaka Vachyam Samashtiyatma Vachyam समष्टियात्म वाच्यम. एतत्त्रय समष्टियात्म वाच्यम शांतांबिकात्मकम. What is the meaning? Tribihi kutaihi kramat vacyam. Tribihi kutaihi kramat vacyam. So these three couples are symbolized by the three kutas of Panchadashakshari mantra. Kramat, by order. What is the order? Vagbhava kutam, Kayayilahrim, Brahma Saraswati. Kamakutam, Hasaka Halahrim, Vishnu Lakshmi. Sakalahrim, Raudri, Kriya, Shiva Parvati. So, Tribihi Kutaihi Kramat Vachyam. Ikara Tritayena tu. Ikara Tritam. There are three ikaras in Hrim. In Hrim Pada, ikara is there. So, ikara is taken separate, leaving hakara and repa. Leaving hakara and repa, ikara is taken separately. Ikara tritayena tu, indeed, tu indeed. What is they? What are they? What are those three? Etat trayam samashtiyatma vachyam. Samashti vyashti. These two padas are to be understood. Vyashti means individual. Samashti means collective. Vyashti means individual. Samashti means collective. Etat traya samashtiyatma vachyam. So in this representation, I have shown how this is done. Kayayila hr. E has been taken out. Im has been taken out. What is left here? Im is left here. Im is left here. That im is taken separately. So that im represents Devi in Samashti Atma Artha, and her name is Shantambika. Etat traya samashtiyatma vachyam Shantambikatmakam. Tribihi kutaihi kramat vachyam Ikara tritayena tu etat traya samashtiyatma vachyam Shantatmikam. Who is that Shantambika? Who is that Shantambika? None other than Lalitambika. Tirumiyuchur temple, most of you would have visited. In Tirumiyuchur temple, Swami's name is Meghanada Swami. And Ambal's name is Shantambika. Why she is called Shantambika? In this concept, Ha, Sa, Ka, Ha, La, Hr. The 6 aksharas are taken separately and Im is taken separately. These 3 kutas are representing the 3 pairs of Brahma, Saraswati, Vishnu, Lakshmi and Shiva, Parvati. And Shantambika is the unified form of these Purushas and Shaktis. All Purusha and Shakti are combined to form Shantambika. Shantambika is the deity who has all powers of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Shiva, Parvati and Brahma, Saraswati. Yadva Gihi Sakala Brahma Prabhridinam Trayam Trikuta Vachyam Mayayaha Turiyam. Mayayaha Turiyam mitunam matam. Yadva gihi. Yadva. Yadiva. Otherwise, Sakala Brahma Prabhudinam. Here, another Trayam is shown. Another triplets are shown. Who are they? You can note down Sakalaha, Pralayakalaha, Vijnana Kevalaha. Who are these people? These three sets of people are Upasakas of Devi. Like us, they are also Upasakas. But great Upasakas who have obtained great powers. They are Sakala, Pralayakala, Vijnanakala. Yadva Gihi. It is told that there are other three sets. Trikuta Vachyam, Vachyartha. Like Sakala Brahma Prabhudinam. Sakala Brahma Prabhudinam indicates three sets of Upasakas. Who are they? Sakalaha, Pralayakalaha, Vijnana Kevalaha. They are Upasakatrayam. You have to note as Upasakatrayam. Then Trikuta Vachyam is over. Three explanations, Trayam, they told, they explained. They are explained. And now one more Turiya Mitunam is there. Fourth double. Who is that fourth double? Fourth double is Maya Shakti. Mayayaha Turiyam Mitunam Matam. This sentence indicates that. Mayayaha Turiyam Mitunam Matam. With this explanation is over. And now how many pairs you have? 6 pairs you have. Jyeshta Jnana 1 pair, Vishnu Lakshmi 1 pair. Raudri Kriya 1 pair, Shiva Parvati 1 pair. 4. And Vama Icha 1 pair, Brahma Saraswati 1 pair. 6 pairs you are having. It can be taken like that. Otherwise, Brahma 1, Saraswati 2, Vishnu 3, Lakshmi 4, Shiva 5, Parvati 6. Like that, you can take 6. Then Eam can be taken as the unification of the duals. Shantambika is the union of the duals. 3 manifestations of 7. That's what we are going to study in the next shloka. Vame Chadyaha Shadikarayiti Saptami Raksharaihi. Saptamihi Aksharaihi iti Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi Rupa. Saptamihi Aksharaihi by Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. By the Saptami Aksharas. Now, where are these Saptami Aksharas? We have to derive. Bhaskar Raya himself writes the notes for this. Bhaskar Raya himself writes Bhashyam for his own shloka, so that we are blessed with that Bhashyam of Varivasya Rahasyam, Bhavartha Nirupanam. Vame Chadyaha Shadikara Yati. Starting from Vama, there are 6. Shadikara means there are 6. Vame Chadyaha Shadikaraha. Shadikaraha iti Visargalopa. Shadikaraha iti Saptami Aksharaihi. So, how it is decided, how it is arrived, we will see. Trira Vrittairyam. Vidya Sanyatha Tena Tanmayi. Very important, this sentence. I will explain. Vama Icha Adyaha. First line. Vama Icha Adyaha Shad Ikara. Shad Ikaraha. Shad Ikaraha. Vama Icha Adyaha Shad plus Ikaraha. Vama Icha Adyaha Shad plus Ikaraha means what? Vama Icha, beginning from Vama and Icha 6. Brahma, Saraswati, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Shivan, Parvati 6. And Ikaraha Iti, and Ikaraha 7. So I have given here in a very clear manner. Ka, E, I, La, Hakara, Repa and E. These 7 aksharas are one group. And Ha, Sa, Ka, La, Ha, Ra, Repa, E. These 7 are one group. And here, Hasaka, Halahrim, you know very well. What is the second kuta? Hasaka, Halahrim. Right? Kamakuta is what? Hasaka, Halahrim. What is missing here? I have put one star. Hakara is missing in the second line. And that Hakara is taken for the Tritiya Kuta. Sahaka La Hakara Repa E 7. In this way, 7. So 3 manifestation of 7 aksharas. Trira Vritairiyam Vidya. This is the Vidya. This is called Shri Vidya. The genesis of Shri Vidya, I can say about this 14th shloka. The birth of Shri Vidya. How come this Shri Vidya Upasana takes birth? Lakara, Hakara, Repa, E. This 7. So, Vamadi Sapta Shaktinam Samashtihi Paradevata Shad Trimshat Tattva Rupa Asman Matraya Api Na Vidyate. 15th shloka. How can we understand? The three parts. I repeat, Kayela Hr. E has been taken separately. This Kayela Hrim is nothing but Vama Shakti and Icha Shakti. From where this Vama Shakti and Icha Shakti are coming? From Maya Sahita Ishwaraha. From Maya Sahita Ishwaraha, these 6 powers are generated. Icha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, and Vama, Jeshta, Raudri. These 6 Shaktis are coming out from Maya Shakti, and they combine to form Vama Icha combined to form Brahma Saraswati, Jeshta Jnana combined to form Vishnu Lakshmi, Raudri Kriya combined to form Shiva Parvati. And what is left? Im is left. What is that Im? That Ikara is nothing but Shantambika. Who is Shantambika? A form of Lalitambika. And where is her temple? In Tamil Nadu, in Kumbakonam, near Kumbakonam, in Peralam, there is one Chola tradition temple, and the Devi is called Shantambika. Now they have renamed it as Lalitambika. Why they have renamed? Shantambika and Lalitambika are same only. So nothing wrong in renaming it. Who is the Swami for Shantambika? Meghanatha Swami. There comes the problem. Meghanatha Swami is not the Swami of Lalitambika. Who is the Swami of Lalitambika? By name Kameshwaraha should be there. So that is some understanding. So Shantambika is the union of all duals. Abheda Bhava. Duals means Bheda Bhava. Non-dual means Abheda Bhava. This is what Bhavartha. Now you have understood what is the Bhavartha of Kayalahrim, Asakalahrim, Sakalahrim? Unity of duals. This is the Bhavartha of Kayalahrim, Asakalahrim, Sakalahrim, Panchadashakshari. Trira Vrithairiyam Vidya Sanjata. Sanjata means born. What is born? Sri Vidya Upasana tradition is born. What is Sri Vidya Upasana tradition? Showing the duals and arriving the unity, non-dual nature. That is why Lalita Sahasranama ends Shiva Shakti Aikyarupinye Namaha. Who is she? Lalitambikaye Namaha. So Shiva Shakti union of Shiva Shakti has to be worshipped in Sri Vidya. So all dualities are crossed or dealt with, and then this unity is arrived. Tanmayi, it has to become Tanmayam. You have to assimilate this knowledge. So in the next shloka they are telling Vamadi Sapta Shaktinam Samashtihi Paradevata Shatrimsat Tattva Rupa Asman Matrayapi na Vidyate. There is no doubt even for a quantity of single matra. Matra means a time pramana, kala pramana. There is no doubt. Kinchit samshayamapi nasti. Kinchit samshayamapi nasti. There is no even little doubt. That littleness is told in this shloka. Matrayapi na vidyate. Na bedam. Vidyate means bedam. Vamadi Sapta Shaktinam Samashtihi Paradevata. So all these 7 Shaktis are united to form the Paradevata. Who is Paradevata? Shantambika, Lalitambika, Rajarajeshwari, Bhuvaneshwari, Kameshwari. Any name you can call her. She is Parambika. She is none other than Samashti Paradevata Rupam. Samashti means what? Collective Paradevata Rupam. She is the merger of 7 Shaktis. She is the merger of 7 Shaktis. Who are those 7 Shaktis? 7 Shaktis. Who are those 7 Shaktis? Brahma Saraswati, Vishnu Lakshmi, Shiva Parvati, 6, and the 7th one is Eem, all combined form one form. So 7 Shakti. And again these 7 Shaktis combine to form Lalitambika. So the 7th Shakti is Shantambika. All combined Shakti, which cannot be called as 8th Shakti, but all combined Shakti is called Lalitambika. Just namesake. And they are equivalent to Shatrimshat Tattva Rupa. They are equivalent to 36 Tattva Rupa. In this, there is not even single drop of doubt. This is what Bhaskaraya has explained in the 15th shloka, which is very important. And further, Ahakarau, Shiva Shakti, Shunyakarau, Paraspara Shlistau, Spurana, Prakasha Rupau, Upanishad, Tad Uktam, Param Brahma. This is the next shloka. prakasha rupau Upanishaduktam. Upanishaduktam. Upanishad Uktam. It can be separated. What is told in Upanishad? Upanishad Uktam, Upanishad Duktam, Param Brahma. What is the ultimate jnanam given by Upanishad, which is the Jnana Kandam part of Veda? Vedas are having two kandas, Karma Kanda and Jnana Kanda. Karma Kanda explains about all the rituals and the lifestyles to be followed with dharma, and the Jnana Kandam speaks about Brahman. What is the ultimate concept? Pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is the subject matter of Jnana Kandam. Param Brahma, Chaitanyam, Prajnanam, and Akara, Hakara. So it is also a Dvandva Samasa. Ahakarau, Dvitiya Vachanam, Dvivachanam, Dvivachanam. Shiva Shakti, Shunyakarau, Paraspara Shlishthau. This A and Ha you find in this Panchadashakshari mantra, right? Kaya Ilahrim, Hasaka Halahrim, Sakalahrim. Where do you find this Akara and Hakara? I will explain. In the Kayalahrim mantra, Hasaka Halahrim is there. This Hakara represents Shakti. And Sakara plus Akara, Sakara. Sa. The first letter of the Tritiya Kutam is Sakara, which is the combination of Sakara and the vowel A. So this Akara is Shiva. For our convenience, we say Sakara is Shiva. From this only we form Soham, Hamsa, Soham, Hamsa, Soham, Hamsa. Shiva Shakti, Shiva Shakti, Shiva Shakti we are telling. While we are telling Soham, Hamsa, we are telling what? The whole Jagat is the combination of Shiva and Shakti, Shiva and Shakti, Shiva and Shakti. Shiva Shakti. The combined form. In yoga practices, we have one pranayama procedure. Inhaling, exhaling is done with Soham and Hamsa. Soham, Hamsa. And yet, there is esoteric meaning. We have to find it. Slowly, slowly, you can grasp the idea. Ahakaro Shiva Shakti. This is the concept. From this padas, what we understand? A and Ha are Shiva and Shakti. Kramena. Akara represents Shiva. Hakara represents Shakti. Ahakaro. Shiva Shakti. Then Shunyakaro. What is Shunya here? Shunya here is Bindu. In Sri Chakra, there is one middle point that is called Bindu. Navama Avarana is nothing but Bindu. Shunyakaro. How that Shunya happens? Paraspara Ashlishtau. Paraspara Shlishhtau. This Paraspara Shlishhtau is in Alingana. While they are hugging each other, Shiva and Shakti are hugging each other in love. When they hug each other, they become one. This is the meaning. What does it mean? The merger of Ishvara and Maya. Who merges in whom? Shakti, Maya Shakti gets resolved in Ishvara. Maya Shakti gets resolved in Ishvara as Shakti hugs Shiva. Ashlishtau in Alingana. Saptami Vibhakti. Then Spurana Prakasha Rupau. Spurana means the manifested form and unmanifested form. This one word means Prakasha Rupa as well as Vimarsha Rupa. Spurana means Spurana Prakasha Rupau. Unmanifested form and manifested form. Prakasha Rupaha is manifested form. Spurana Rupa is unmanifested form. And these two forms are told as existent and non-existent. Sat and Asat. Sadasat Rupadaranye Namaha. Devi is in these two forms. Manifested form as well as unmanifested form. Sadasat Rupam. Who tells this? Upanishads. From where these Upanishads are emerging? In the Jnana Kandam part of Vedas, these Upanishads are speaking about Param Brahma. What is that Param Brahma? When Maya Shakti resolves in Ishvara, Ishvara resolves in Brahma. What is the final one? Brahman. How do they came out? Brahman. From Brahman, Ishvara, the reflected consciousness, and from Ishvara, Maya Shakti. Maya Sahita Ishvara manifests this entire world. Jagat comes into action. Lakara, the Lakara of Kayailagiri mantra indicates the Prithvi. And now all these dramas are taking place. Sukha, Dukkha, she criticizes me, he hates me, he blames me, she fights with me. A lot of these misunderstandings which create dukkha, avamana, insultation, samshaya, doubt. Always we are in dukkha. All these dukkhas are mithya. There was a beautiful satsanga question sent by one of the participants. And the question is, am I Satya or Mithya? This is the question. Am I Satya or Mithya? Swamiji, you are telling a lot of things. Finally, you tell me, am I Satya or Mithya? This I am has to be defined perfectly. I don't know what definition you have for that I am. If you identify I with this body, mind, senses and the Prithvi, then it is Mithya. If you have understood through Shastra and Guru, this I is nothing but pure consciousness, then it is Satya. This is the answer. I repeat. This is regarding the identification what you make for the word I. Who am I? Am I this body, mind, senses? Am I this body, mind, sense complex? Am I this properties what I have earned? Am I my sons and daughters, this family? Or am I this society? Or am I the prestige what I have gained from this society? Or the insultation gained from this society? Who am I? So, Shastras say, Upanishads say, you are Param Brahmam. You are Shuddha Chaitanyam. So, if you identify yourself with Shuddha Chaitanyam, then it is Satyam. You are Satyam. If you identify yourself with this Mithya Loka, then you are Mithya. So identification for aham pada is very, very important. Now I come to the topic. So when you connect these two, hamsa, soham, I was telling. And in this sakara, what is Shiva? Akara. Akara, Shiva. Hakara, Shakti. You start with a and end with aha. Aha. Aham. This aham is also having akara and hakara. What is aham? I. This aham is aspat shabda. Trishulingeshu samana rupaha aspat shabdaha. Dakaranta asmat shabdaha. Aham avam vayam. Aham has two letters. One is akara and another is ham. This ham indicates Shakti and a indicates Shiva. Aham means the combination of Shiva and Shakti. Aham means the union of Shiva and Shakti. Shiva is myself. Shakti is also myself. Shiva is the truth. Shakti is the Maya Tattva. So I am the Samuchaya. Samuchaya means combination of truth and untruth. What I should do? I should remove the untruth, unreal, and I should remain as truth. That is the aim of any human being in this birth. I should know what is unreal, what is real. What is unreal? Jagat, Sharira is unreal. And the Anubhava, what I gain through this plus and minus life, is unreal. Then who am I? Aham Shivam, Shantam, Satyam.